Colin. Stop it.
Why?
I said so, that's why. Jeez, Colin. Two? Yeah.
That was three.
Huh?
That was three. I thought it was gonna happen in the first place. Your sneeze is too hilarious. Okay?
Breakfast lunch specials.
Very good.
Three homemade tacos. I don't want that. Or the codfish. Okay, that's enough. Turn it off now.
Hold on.
Skillets. Breakfast combos. Blackberry cheese.
Alright.
Man,
Hi guys.
Hi.
crepes. Lingonberry crepes.
There we go. Do you guys want anything to drink?
Coffee.
Coke?
Pepsi?
Pepsi's fine.
Pepsi and coffee for you?
Coffee.
Okay, do you need cream for your coffee?
Yeah.